Hello, my name is Gabriel Newvine. I'm a first-year master's student studying music composition. My piece is entitled Stop Signal. This idea comes from when bees find flowers that they think is good to pollinate, they come back to the hive and dance. Sometimes, if another bee goes out and finds that that flower is no longer safe, they'll come back and do a stop signal, which is where they ram their heads into the side of the other bee to tell them to stop. I chose to use this as a metaphor for someone coming into your life and saying, hey, take a moment and take a breath. We don't have to deal with the buzz of everyday life. I chose to represent this buzz of everyday life by using a combination of nature sounds and everyday sounds such as typing, car noises, and news broadcasts that slowly grow into this moment of cacophony that is then resolved back to the nice sounds of nature. I hope you enjoy Stop Signal.
My name is Jonathan Esses. I am a fourth-year computer science major. My piece is called Light Year. I took data points from pollination networks and mapped them to the notes and when they are played throughout my piece. And the rest is through composed, so I just creatively turned what that data gave me into a full piece.
Hi, my name's Dermot Bro, and I am a sophomore majoring in music composition and minoring in music technology. My piece is called Germinate, and it is intended to give you the feeling of being in the environment of a beehive surrounded by a field of flowers. These flowers are represented by different synth sounds, which are placed around the room, and the bees are represented by percussive noises, which begin in the beehive in the middle. And throughout the piece, the bees will relocate to different flowers and not only pollinate the flowers, but also bring the pollen back to the hive. And when all the sounds are joined together in the center of the room, you will hear a rich harmonic texture.
I'm Hirsch Boudoir. I'm a senior. I'm a computer science major and a music technology minor. My piece is about buzz pollination and implementing that feeling into music. I do this by using melodic and rhythmic mismatch and spatial audio.
Hi, my name is Izzy Healy. I am a senior this year and I'm studying viola performance and music technology. My piece, Grit Life, is about bee thermoregulation and how the core warms up the inside while the surrounding bees sort of go into limbo or like bee purgatory while the queen tries to find a new suitable place for the hive. So the concept of the queen going out is sonified through the little melodic notes that I have in there, and I like how they like pop in and out just to kind of like remind you that she's there. But I used string harmonics and very percussive sounds, percussive metallic sounds to illustrate the outside of the core where not a whole lot is going on, but then as the piece progresses, you get closer to the core and there's a lot more going on and you just kind of like zip through it.
Hello, my name is Hazel Giacomucci. I'm a fourth-year marketing major with a music technology minor, and the title of my piece is Beekeeper. This piece is based off of a YouTube video by Arvin Pierce called Weird Sounds from the Beehive. And basically, I was really inspired by the mysterious, strange noise that was coming from the honeybee hive and how there is such a mystery between different species compared to humans, and how we'll never be able to fully understand that. And I thought that that was a really interesting way to incorporate bee sounds into a song. I used piano and vocals to create a sphere of nature and mystery. So that's my piece. Thank you.
I really didn't know what I had.
Hi, I'm Zach McKee, a third-year music technology student, and my piece explores the extinction of flowers and bees over the span of 8 minutes. I took the sound of 4 different bees and translated them into notes and chords, and you will hear that above you, while the live instruments, accordion and violin primarily, are the flowers that will be surrounding you.
I'm Jack Odell. I am a 4th year here at Penn State. I'm studying telecommunications and media industries with a minor in music technology. So I learned that bees communicate through vibrations and dancing, and this is an electronic music class, so I decided to make an electronic dance music song. So throughout this piece, you're going to hear bees traveling around and collecting certain pieces that they would use to build a hive, and those pieces are going to be elements of a song. So throughout the song, you're going to hear bees essentially building the hive, and the hive is going to be the EDM song. Hey everybody, my name is Sam Escort. I am a 3rd-year student here at Penn State studying music technology and minoring in art. And the name of my piece is Amber and Saffron. And with this work, I decided to explore the relationship between bee and flower through the art of buzz pollination. So for my bees, you will hear them throughout the piece flying across different speakers, just going across the theater, and my flower starts in one speaker and grows gradually larger and larger as the bees continually get to that flower and pollinate it until eventually it covers every single speaker, and all the bees and the flower are dancing in beautiful harmony. So I hope you enjoy.